Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, November 24th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Had a pretty interesting day today. You're looking at the Dow here. Um, had a really good jobs report come out. I mean, like one of the best jobs report in decades. And for some reason, the Dow opens down on that, but then recovers pretty much the rest of the day and finished up negative 9 points. We came in um, to the day with 10 positions, and right after the open, those 10 positions were negative $15,000. So I'm thinking, oh crap, this is going to be horrible. But unlike what we've been seeing lately, it didn't get worse, it got better. And by the time we closed those 10 positions out, we were negative only 3,200. So we went from negative 15 to negative 3,200 in the first 45 minutes of the day. So that was pretty good. We got into 8 positions, and 5 were positive, 3 are negative, and officially we're closing with $5,600 positive. Okay, and that's not too bad, but the whack-a-moles were very busy the last 20 minutes of the day. I show you a screenshot here. This is with 20 minutes to go. We were at $10,000, and they banged us down to 5,000 in the last 20 minutes of the day. So that's pretty typical stuff. But of course, we don't know what it's going to be like on Friday. I'll show you 3 of the stocks. Again, we had, some promising, interesting stuff going on. This first one is Sava, S-A-V-A, which is Sava Sciences Incorporated. Good breakout here in the middle of the day, and it kept going and pretty close to its high there. We were up $2,300 in Sava Sciences Incorporated, and then here's another. By the way, we have the new portfolio, and these are new stocks for us. This was a breakout in the middle of the day in NXTD, which is NXTID Incorporated, and that shot up to $7,500 up there, and then, yes, in the last hour, it pulled back to 4,000. They're not going to make a day trader out of me. I'm going to resist it. But the whack-a-moles did a little one there on us. And then they did a bigger one on us here. And this is PALT, which is PALT Incorporated. We bought this first hour today. And at this point up here, we were up $12,500, and they pulled that back to $5,000 on the close. So, we'll just have to see what happens on Friday. But I'll tell you a quick little story here. This is a terrible thing to tell you the day before Thanksgiving, but I will anyway. My son was telling me about this great movie he had seen on Netflix, so I started watching it this morning on and off during the markets. It's called Alice in Borderline. Borderland is a Japanese movie, and it was kind of like Squid Games if you watch that. And the people in the movie, there was 4 friends that are playing this game where one of them is the wolf and the other 3 are lambs, and only the wolf can survive. And so the wolf has to kill his three friends before the game's over. And I'm watching this. I thought this is just horrible. I can't stand it. I'm not going to watch this stupid Japanese movie anymore. And I went back to watching the markets, but I was so traumatized by the violence in this movie that my mind didn't make the switch. And I'm watching stocks like I'm still watching this horrible horror movie. And I started thinking that this trading was like that movie, and it's kill or be killed, kill or be killed, or I'm not going to survive. And strangely enough, a kind of peaceful feeling came over me, and I started having more optimism about how this trading is going to go shortly. Anyway, I offer that for whatever it's worth, but it was very real to me for a few minutes there. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic Thanksgiving, and I will be back here trading as usual on Friday.